development of e-learning is quick. For instance, a 60-minute course can be developed in under 3 weeks with rapid e-learning. Usually involves existing training content and media elements. SMEs play a key role in rapid e-learning development. Instructional designers, graphic designers, and programmers play an important role in designing the training program. Rapid e-learning development makes use of templates that can be reused to reduce development time and cost. End-to-end e-learning is expensive compared to rapid e-learning courses. Whether it's a small audience or a large one, a slimmer budget or a tighter deadline for training delivery, training managers can afford to heave a sigh of relief as rapid e-learning development provides the answer to these training challenges. Thank you for watching. Before you go, check out the description below.